Why do cats sit in the weirdest places? Like boxes, sinks, shoes, anything but a proper bed. It's not random, it's instinct. Cats are both hunters and prey in the wild. So they love tight, enclosed spaces where they feel safe and hidden. Boxes equal instant bunker. Sinks equal cold, comfy cocoon. Your laptop? Warm. Perfect ambush spot. They're also temperature sensitive. A sunny windowsill? It's a free heater. A laundry pile? Smells like you. Comfort for them. Sometimes they just want your attention. Or to be weird. Because they are cat. So no, your cat's not broken. Just operating on ancient ninja settings. In a world of chaos. If it fits. It sits. Logic is unmatched. Follow for more animal facts that explain the unexplainable.